Alright guys, so we took the bumper off the Miata and we took the little tiny pull hitch things off, and we are going to make a custom tow hitch for this so I can take my bikes places and stuff like that. So I'm having my buddy Sam with his welding equipment. He's going to get all the stuff from Harbor Freight I got, and Metal Surplus or Metal Depot, whatever it's called, and those plates, and we're gonna make a custom hitch. But I kind of like the way it looks with no bumper. So he's making the bracket that we're going to be sticking on the car itself. And over there we have Mikey working on his battery. But look at that. Cutting like butter. So while he's cutting over there, he's getting it to look kind of like this shape. And then we'll get the bars going across to connect to this. So this thing's going to be pretty heavy, but you know, it should be able to lift up. And it's gonna look pretty cool. So most go down and come out. We want this one to come straight out, cut a hole through the bumper. This dude got it first try. Look at there. Look at there. Look at there. Oh yeah? Bet you can't do it 2 times in a row. No. All right, here we go. And we kind of are going with the overkill. I got it! Hey! So kind of an overkill with the thickness, but that's what they said would work. So we're going with it. And Sam here, this thing, it cuts like butter. Like, he's got all the measurements right first try. I'm not sure how he's doing it, but I just don't have that. He's that good. I don't have a welder's mind like that. So he was able to get that all lined up. And now he's leveling it out. If anything, this would be a pretty good frame for the car. All right, how do they find you?
Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Oster Fabrication, or you can contact James for my contact information. He'll post it right here in the link above. All right,
there you have it, guys. So we were on uneven ground, and now we have this side jacked up just enough so we can make sure this is level, and we'll be all set. Side note, while he's doing that, he's adding a turbo to the Lancer, so that's gonna be really sick. So we'll see how that goes. And there's the drift trike if you've paid attention to the channel. It's just vibing.
You've been with him.
So he's just getting the proper precision right there. That precision. So I'm getting some water. Look at this tree frog. I have never seen one that big. So he was able to calculate the thickness of this to here, finding dead center, while not making it go over, avoiding this. I mean, that is very impressive. So this thing will definitely be overbuilt. Might even be able to lift it up if I want it to, but we're building it so we can take it off. It's not going to always be on the car, just so if I do rallycross. So he's going to be adding these supports, and it's going to look really sick. but look at this. What I like about this is it's not like the stand you see on websites for Miatas where it goes down and then out with the L shape. This is just one solid piece. So I'm gonna, of course, have to cut the bumper, but I think that's perfect for off-road. So it has it a little bit higher. Boy, is she hot. Fresh. So he has like the whole entire setup. He brought his whole truck out here with all of his equipment, like super cool. Bro evaporated a fly. With the tri-bice.
Ain't burning off.
Whoa, that's hot. Take a look at them welds. Like, goodness. So wavy. I love it. I smacked the phone. So this guy right here, he is going really far in depth, more than what I ever thought I would ever make this be. So he's doing a great job. All right, so to cool it off, we're just gonna throw it in the river, the pond.
Oh my god.
This is gonna sound crazy. Do it. Good night. Look at there. Ooh, we got that lazy Susan thing going on. Wow, look at there. That is so cool. This thing's gonna look sick. I've never seen a hitch so solid. Never. So like Sam said, every time you get a new mod, you have to start it up, see how it runs. And well, now it looks like I have 3 exhaust pipes. I love it. So we put motorcycle rack on this John.
The pull neck speeding rods.
That's crazy.
Now pull the truck up here.
Oh my word. Oh. What was that?
Moved. That was my foot.
No, something
moved.
Yeah. Oh.
What moved?
So now what you do is you go through
If
Wendy's
you think about it, how is this
with them on the back and the hitch being used. That's how we test it. So your boy's hungry like nephew, so I'm having to walk up here. But while they try to work on the hitch. This is awesome. Oh, you'll make it. You'll make it. Slow down. Come as close to that tree as you can. You're touching this tree a little bit. Back up. You can't fit. Yo, he was sketchy. All right, so after drifting, I made it home, but we didn't get it on film. But I so happened to catch the car on fire. So I was drifting and everything, the car shut off, and the radio kept shutting off randomly. I'm like, what the heck? Well, came back here, popped the trunk once the car shut off, and then I was like, what's that smell? And I look, and there's a fire on the battery. And what happened was, the battery shifted, hit the mount started glowing red hot, and this box I had back here, as I was trying to leave my friends, and we thought, let's just rip it. It slid over here and lit on fire, and we had to blow it out and throw sand in the car. And then we had to redo the wiring. Luckily, it did not blow the ECU, so I made it home safely. But yeah, never had a car on fire. Who knew that would happen? So when you weld and you have to take the battery out, make sure you put it back in properly. And for some reason, this mount right here, it keeps getting loose. So I need to probably fix something or get a tote. So just heads up.